Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed one of these videos in such a long time and I know that you guys really love them. I do one of these videos every season. My first video on this channel was a what I'm wearing this summer video. For the fall time I filmed fall outfits 2021 and a few weeks ago we entered winter and I have not done a winter video yet. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I recreate the winter outfits that I've pinned on Pinterest. I get all my outfit inspiration on Pinterest. Honestly, I think that Pinterest is probably like my favorite app. In this video I also want to show you guys how you don't need the exact same pieces in a Pinterest picture to recreate it. Sometimes I get lucky and I do have those exact pieces in these pictures, but sometimes I do have to use it as inspiration and make it my own with the things that I do have in my closet. Now with that being said, this is how I recreate my winter Pinterest outfits. So for this outfit, these are the items that I pulled from my closet, and honestly I feel like I have a lot of the exact pieces. So here's the outfit on. So some details about this outfit. This blazer is actually from a thrift store. It's a size 10 and I got it in a size 10 for the purpose of it looking oversized. On the inside I have this turtleneck, fun fact, from the kids section in Zara. I wear this turtleneck all the time. I think it's such a basic piece that everyone needs to have in their closet. For the leggings, I talk about these leggings all the time. They are from Aerie. I think they're called the Real Me legging. I have some basic white ankle socks, and then I actually pulled out these Fila's that I haven't worn honestly in like 2 years. Since this outfit is very plain, I wanted to add some color with the sneaker, but you also can just wear some Air Forces or some New Balances that are similar to the ones in the picture. But yeah, I feel like this outfit is very standard. I feel like it's really easy to change up into your own style or to whatever colors you have in your closet. Now let's figure out the next outfit. Now for this next outfit, these are the items that I picked out from my closet. So let's try it on. Now for this outfit, I feel like the only thing that I had similar was the jacket that was in the picture. So some details about this outfit. I got this long puffer jacket from Abercrombie and Fitch, and I like how it opens up on the side, but this jacket is so warm. I'm also very tiny, so I feel like it's a lot longer than how it's supposed to look, but when I wear this jacket out I literally can't even feel the cold. It just feels like a giant blanket is wrapped around me. This white top is actually not cropped. I just folded it up to show a little skin, but if you don't want to, you can feel free to tuck it into whatever bottoms you're wearing. But it's from Primark. It comes in a lot of different colors. These sweatpants, I love the flower design on the side. I feel like it adds the pop of color that I usually look for when I wear outfits like this. But they are the 90s joggers from Garage. And then I'm wearing my high top Air Forces that you guys see in all of my outfit videos. I really like this outfit because I feel like it's very comfy. A lot of times when you know that it's cold outside, you don't want to dress up, but you still want to look cute. And I feel like this outfit does just that. I think I've said enough about this outfit, so I'm going to change. This jacket is making me very hot right now. I didn't realize I was missing such a staple as a black hoodie in my closet, so instead I'm using this oversized crew neck from Garage. It actually matches the sweatpants that I had in the other outfit. It has a really cute saying on the back. It says, "Find something positive in each day," which is very true. These straight leg pants are from passin. It has two tones, as you can see. And I try to tuck them into my Ugg boots that I got in my what I got for Christmas video. And I usually hate beanies. That's why I really wanted to see if I had a hoodie in my closet because I didn't want to wear the beanie. And I haven't worn beanies in so long that I literally have no clue where this one is from. But yeah, this is how I recreated this one. I think I don't really hate it that much anymore. I wanted to throw some color in this video, so I took inspiration from this Pinterest picture. I wore an outfit very similar to it in my birthday vlog video, so also if you guys haven't seen that one, you can also check it out later. In the winter, it's very dark, gloomy, and cloudy, and sometimes you just want to dress the opposite of that. Some details about this outfit. Underneath, you can't really see it, so honestly you can wear anything underneath, but I decided to put a turtleneck from Garage. On top of that, I'm wearing this oversized leather blazer from Garage also. I'm wearing some blue straight leg jeans, again from PacSun, because that's where I usually get my jeans. And for the shoes, you can't really see the shoes in the picture, so I just put on my Ugg boots. And the real statement of this outfit is this oversized scarf, and it is from Cotton On. I really love the colors in this scarf. As you can tell, it has the blues, pinks, oranges, a lot of bright colors. And this winter, I'm really learning that scarves really make a difference with outfits. I feel like without it, this outfit just wouldn't have made sense. Alright, let's move on to the next outfit. This is the next outfit that I'm trying to recreate. Some details about this outfit. I'm wearing the same turtleneck from the last outfit from Garage. You can wear any top with this outfit. It doesn't have to be this one necessarily. You can even wear a graphic tee with this and it'll still look really cute. The dress pant trousers that I'm wearing are from H&M, which is why they are super long. H&M makes clothes for, again, really tall people, and I am only 5 feet, so. The shoes I'm wearing are the same ones that were in the picture. These are black Converse that I literally had since high school. This jacket, I am in love with it. I bought it in 2 colors. It is is from Zara. I feel like it's the most perfect long coat that I have been looking for, and it's also all over my Pinterest board. So if you can, I do suggest picking up one of these jackets. I feel like it's a staple that everybody needs in their closet. It's a very timeless piece. It never goes away. It's gonna keep coming back even if you try to get rid of it. This chunky scarf is the first scarf that I bought to add to my collection when I started getting into scarves again. This specific one is from Urban Outfitters, but honestly you can get it anywhere at this point. But yeah, I really like this outfit. I feel like it's really office casual because you do have like the dressier pieces, but then you throw on some Converse and a scarf. I really see this outfit for when you're like walking down the streets of the city or something like that. This is a good one. Let's move on to the next one. Here's the next outfit that I chose for this video, and this is how I recreated it with the items in my closet. I know I'm looking a little lazy because I wore this turtleneck in the last two outfits, but this is a staple that you do need in your closet. These sweatpants are from Zara, and I'm wearing these dunk lows that I got for my birthday recently. This oversized varsity jacket is all over my Pinterest. It's also in every store. This specific jacket is from H&M. It's from their collab with No Fear. It says No Fear in the back, and it's such a coincidence that the color in the jacket matches the sweatpants. I thought it was perfect. Since my outfit is very cream and black and my shoes are actually white and black, I wanted to throw in this bag, which you knew I had to put in this video because I told you guys in my what I got for my birthday haul that I was going to put this bag somewhere in my winter outfits video because it's such a winter bag. I mean, hello, it has Sherpa. This is the crinkle leather Marc Jacobs tote bag. This is such a cute like running errands outfit. I honestly feel like I might wear it out today. Alright, let's move on to the next outfit. I love so many things about this outfit. This is the picture that I took inspiration from. Again, I didn't really focus much about the underneath part because I feel like that's not really the point. But I'm just wearing this plain black tank top from Skims. But again, you can wear any plain shirt with this or any graphic tee and it would still look really cute. Leather pants are very in right now. This one specifically is from Hollister because I just can't seem to get my hands on the Abercrombie ones. But these are pretty much the same thing, honestly. For sneakers, I put on my white Air Forces. I threw on this long coat again from Zara. And guys, I'm obsessed with this scarf. I feel like I showed it in a video one time, but I'm not sure which one. But the scarf just has all shades of green and it is beautiful. Even though when you peel back the layers of this outfit, it's basically just an all black outfit, I feel like this just makes it look a lot different. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. And just to throw on another furry winter accessory, I put on this bucket hat from Primark. This is just another basic outfit where you can switch out any piece and it will still look like a different outfit every time. I haven't put on a graphic yet, so this is the final outfit. I got this crew neck from the Friends Experience in New York City. If you haven't seen that vlog, it's in my birthday vlog video that you can watch later. For the jeans, I threw on these dad jeans from PacSun, and instead of tucking them in, I put them over my Ugg boots. And then I threw on this gray coat from Zara. But yeah, there's honestly not much more to say about this outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration from it. If you'd like to see more from me, make sure to hit subscribe. You can also hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload. And if you would like to see even more from me, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My usernames are the same for both. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and again, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.